Hey there, design enthusiasts! Today, we are diving into the world of interior transformation and exploring how one creative soul, Yasmin Suteja, turned her Melbourne apartment into a sleek, functional, and aesthetically stunning space. Get ready to be inspired by her journey and the clever design choices that made it all possible. So, let's get started. First things first, Yasmin's renovation journey began with a bold vision: a stainless steel kitchen. Now, you might be thinking, why stainless steel? Well, Yasmin wanted something that would stand out, be easy to clean, and provide a unique backdrop for her work as a director, photographer, and content creator. She was inspired by a cafe in Bondi, and the result is a kitchen that's both functional and a real head-turner. But it wasn't just about the kitchen. Yasmin wanted the entire apartment to reflect her minimalist and warm aesthetic. Now, let's talk about the renovation process. Yasmin didn't set a fixed budget, but she did have a tight timeline of 3 months to complete the project before moving in for Christmas. The first step was gutting the interiors, which involved pulling up the floors, repainting, replacing the toilet, and overhauling the plumbing and electrics. This was a big undertaking, but it set the foundation for the rest of the renovation. One of the most impactful changes was the kitchen transformation. Yasmin opted for a single galley layout, which maximized space and integrated all the appliances seamlessly. However, this left a wall with holes from the old electrics. Here's where the mirrored wall came in. Not only did it bounce light and make the kitchen feel double the size, but it also disguised the reworked wall and added a touch of feng shui with its reflection of nature. It's a clever design choice that not only enhances the space but also serves a practical purpose. Now, let's talk about the budget. The total renovation cost was $88,780, which might seem like a lot, but it's important to remember that Yasmin didn't set a fixed budget from the start. The key here is to prioritize and focus on the most impactful changes first. For example, the kitchen transformation was one of the most expensive parts, but it made a huge difference in the overall look and feel of the space. One thing that stands out is Yasmin's attention to detail. She retained the original bath and tiles in the bathroom, which is a smart move. It adds character and avoids the common waterproofing nightmares that can arise during renovations. And let's not forget the wardrobes, which were reconfigured to provide ample storage without compromising on style. In my opinion, what makes Yasmin's renovation truly fascinating is the way she blended functionality with aesthetics. The mirrored wall is a great example of this. It not only enhances the space but also serves as a backdrop for her fit check photos and daily outfit documentation. It's a clever use of design that adds value to her work and lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. Yasmin's renovation journey highlights the importance of personalizing your space. It's not just about following trends or adhering to a fixed budget. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality and lifestyle. And in my opinion, Yasmin has achieved just that with her sleek and functional apartment. So, there you have it. Yasmin Suteja's renovation journey is a testament to the power of creativity and design. It's a reminder that with the right vision and attention to detail, you can transform your space into something truly special. And who knows? Maybe it'll inspire you to take on your own renovation project and create a space that's uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more design inspiration.